What's going on, guys? Today I'll be doing a top 3 video of marijuana stocks on the ASX, particularly in the micro cap and small cap space. Now, you guys might have noticed that the entire sector is booming at the moment. I had a recent boom back in 2017 and it's currently making a resurgence. So I did all the fundamental analysis of all the stocks in the marijuana sector for the micro and small cap space. Now here's a list of all the stocks, and guys, I know you are time poor. You do not have the time to go through all these stocks, pick out which one is of the best quality. So I did that for you. I went through, I shopped around every single stock. I went through the fundamentals to pick out which one is in my top 3 for the best chance of returning multi-bags of profits. Now, just real quick, here's a traction of the marijuana stocks globally. We can see revenues have just been absolutely exponential. So stocks have been basically pumping on the back of this massive global push for marijuana stocks, for marijuana product as well. And it's getting decriminalized and legalized pretty much everywhere around the world. So we can see revenues are skyrocketing, and more importantly, let's have a look at the problems that exist socially and medically around the world and the solutions that marijuana can provide. Now, of course, marijuana is fantastic in all climate conditions. There are a variety of strains that can survive in any type of condition. Now, we've got water shortages globally, so the good thing about marijuana plant is that it uses less water than, say, carrots and cabbage. Now, harsh conditions, yeah, look, if you've got a bushfire or an Arctic blizzard, it doesn't matter. Marijuana is brilliant at surviving these conditions, obviously depending on the strain. There's also industrial scalability, so it can really be harvested. Marijuana can be harvested, it can be grown really quickly and shipped globally, as it doesn't weigh too much as well, so it's easy to ship across the world. And so there's a huge demand for this product that's easily available, easily produced, and easily delivered. Now let's have a look at the different variations and the different sort of impacts they have on diseases. So there's obviously new strains coming out almost every day, and I was reading a journal article, a science journal article that came out last week that listed all the accomplishments that marijuana has had in the last couple of years. So here's a list of diseases that marijuana has cured. We've got autism, major depressive disorder, relying on hot copper and Facebook for stock advice, cancer, heart disease, and a wide variety of phobias, such as arachnophobia and the fear of doing your own fundamental research. Now, here are the top 3 stocks that I'm going to show you that have the best chance of returning high profit for your investment. If you haven't figured it out, there are none. Thanks for listening to my TED Talk.